Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to interconnect two computers using a router so they can communicate over a local network. So let's get started. We are doing this practical in a Cisco Packet Tracer application. So to perform this practical, we need two PC and one router. So in the left corner, we will find the option of PC and a router. So in this option, you will find PC, and in this network devices, you will find the router which is 1841. So let's add them. This is the PC 0 and this is the PC 1. Then next, we add the router which is 1841. Now we have to connect this PC and router through a wire. For this, we are going to use the copper cross wire, which is available in this connection section. So here choose option fast Ethernet 0 and connect to the router and to the port fast Ethernet 0/0. Then again take one more wire, give to the PC1, select option fast Ethernet 0 and add to the port fast Ethernet 0/1. So we have add the PC, router and give connection there. Now we have to set the IP configuration for both the PC and the router. So click on the PC0 and here you will find the option of desktop. So click on the desktop option, click on the IP configuration. Here you have get a window which is IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. Here we have to type the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.1.2. Then click on the subnet mask. You will automatically get the subnet mask. Then we have to set the default gateway which is 192.168.1.1. Now close the window. Click on PC1. Go to the desktop option, click IP configuration and set IP address for this also, which is 192.168.2.2. Click on subnet mask, then enter the default gateway which is 192.168.2.1. Close the window. Now we have set the configuration for the PC. Now we have to set configuration for the router. So click on the router, go to option config. Here you can see two options which is the fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/0. So click on the fast Ethernet 0/0. Here we have to set the IP configuration. So enter the IP configuration 192.168.1.1. Click on the subnet mask and checkbox the on box. Then do same as for fast Ethernet 0/1. Enter the IP configuration 192.168.2.1. Click on the on checkbox, close the window. Now you can see this arrow has become green. So to check our connection is successful or failed, we send a packet. So here you can see the message of successful. You can check for PC1 also. So you can see here both connections are successful. That's it. You have successfully connected two computers using a router. This practical is commonly asked in computer networks labs and exam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more BCA practicals and IT related content.